Scrieved to Hebrews, chapter 1. In the olden days, Almighty spake to our forebears through our prophets, many times and in many different ways. Nowadays, He spoke until us through His Son, for He has made heir to all things, and through for He's made all creation. His Son is a brightness of esteem of Almighty, and the very image of Himself, holding up a whole world by a word of His power. After He had washed away all our ill deeds, He sat Himself down as Almighty's right hand, raised up a being the very sins, 'cause His name is greater nor theirs. Almighty never said to nae send, "You're my loony, I'm a child for father to you." Nor did He say, "I'll be a father to him, and he'll be my loony." On mair when He fesses His allest bairn into a wirl, He says, "Let all the sins of Almighty worship Him." And this is fit He says about the sins. Almighty mocks His sins winds, and His servants flames of fire. But He says till His Son, "Your throne, Almighty, is forever and ever, and the sceptre of justice is a sceptre of your kingdom. Ye love fits right and hate fits wrong. Say Almighty, your Almighty, has anointed ye with the oil of gladness, of being all others." And He says, "You, Master, in the offgo, have laid a foun of a wirl, and the heavens are a work of your hands. They'll pass by, but ye'll bide. Like clays they'll grow all, and like a coatie you'll fall them up, and they'll be changed like clays. But ye'll endure for aye. Your ears will aid no een." But fun did He ever say to ony o' the sins, "Sit at my right hand, till I mock your face a fit still"? Are the sins nae but spirits in the service of Almighty, sent out to serve them for to heir Almighty's salvation?